Wagwan with people, JamaicanEndsOut Kitchen over there. And today we are going to make some plantain porridge. Just what I'm saying. Yeah, I wake up this morning and I feel some porridge. And I say, oh, why not some plantain porridge? So right now I'm there on my way and I go to shop, go pick up some plantain. And remember, if you're going to make plantain porridge, you have to get the green one. And CM goes for the banana. So right now we're there on my way. We'll get some plantain and then we're going to come back. We're going to make some porridge. So yeah, follow our shop without no further ado. We could go shop and come back and make the porridge. And show you how we do it. We have a talk through it. We have cook some plantain porridge, yeah? So yeah, go shop and forward. So yeah guys, we get our plantain, we get our nutmeg, we get our vanilla, we get our cinnamon, we get everything what we need to kick off the ball. We're there on way back now. We are got the yard now. Reach at the yard, we have to kick off the thing like a ball. So yeah, I'm reach at the yard, show you how we get, and then you can see how underneath we get to make up the plantain porridge, and then we have to just kick it off and cook it together, yeah? And that's it. So yeah guys, see there, everything today is ready to kick off the ball. We have a plantain there, so we have a milk, we have a cinnamon. Remember England we're there, you know, so you don't know there's something like that. But you know, we have some nutmeg, we have syrup, so yeah. And we have a vanilla, you get me? Yeah, ready to kick off the ball. So first thing first, like I always tell you, know, wash your hand. Make sure you wash your hand. Anytime you start cook, you have to wash your hand. Yeah? That's the first thing we have to do, wash your hand. Yeah? See, after wash your hand now, we have a jar for the kettle. Full up of water, yeah? Now we are going to need hot water. Meanwhile the kettle boil. Now, we are going to peel the plantain. And remember, if you're doing plantain porridge, you need green plantain. Whatever you want to call it, plantain, whatever. I don't know whatever you want to call it, however you pronounce it, you know what I talk. Because I'm here alone today, I'm not going to use more than one. One plant should be good enough to make a nice little amount of porridge. After you peel it, you peel them off. Wash them off, yeah? And then I draw for the blender. That's what you need now, the blender. So they hear me a complain about England some of the time, but if I'm in Jamaica now, I'm going to have to draw for my grater instead. And the grater, I'm going to have to draw for it. Slice it down the middle. Yeah? You get 4 pieces. 4 pieces I get out like that. You cut it up in a small bits and put it in the blender, yeah? And then blend it till it's smooth. You know, I gotta learn how to make proper porridge, yeah? Little water in for that. Put the water and seal them up. Blend it up, yeah? Oh. So make sure it's very hot water. You see? That's well smooth. I don't know if you can see, yeah? Well smooth. So yeah guys, we're at the fire now, yeah? We'll throw the boiling water in it. Remember, pour a little bit of water at a time because you always can add more water, yeah? And what you need after that now is some salt. Once you pour the water in, you need to make sure you add some salt at the same time. And if we're in Jamaica, what we do right now is put the cinnamon leaf in it. or the cinnamon stick or whatever we have to put in it, to put that in it. Yeah? You know, what we need is this. Remember, we blend up, thing that we blend up earlier, we need that in it. And we mix it till it's smooth, yeah? Mix it till the chicken. Mix it, make sure, because you don't want a lump in it, you know, you mix it. Mix it, you see how that get thick? You see how that look thick and nice, you know? Yeah, that's what you want. That's exactly what you want. So what you need now is to turn on the fire, because you don't want it to catch on the fire, you don't want it to catch. So you make sure you mix it in. If you feel like it's too thick, you can always add a little more water to it. So you know, so you got the right mixture. But don't bother make it too watery, because remember it's porridge. So you just need to keep it on a minimum, like a minimum thick. This is good thickness. This is proper thickness, you got me? So yeah, so what we do now, we leave that to boil for about 25 minutes or so. Keep on checking it every 5 minutes. Make sure it not stick. Because the more you catch it, it will get more thicker. So then you need to come again and mix it and then see if you need to add more water. But remember, don't cover your porridge. Because when you cover your porridge, you just form bare water. You don't want water or porridge. So yeah, we are going to come back and check that in a 5 minutes time. So yeah guys, 5 minutes after, we come away and check what we're going, because we don't want the porridge to stick, yeah? We don't want it to stick, because if it stick before it cook, you're going to be a problem. And you need to make sure so you mix it in, because some of the time you will just, everything will just stick up to the middle. You don't want that as well, so you have to make sure you mix it in, so you have to keep checking it. Sometimes you say 5 minutes, you have to even come quicker than 5 minutes, because it might have pop up too much. And you know, like what go on, so you have to come check in. Yeah, but yeah, look good, looking good, everything. I go according to plan. Can start smell the plantain a boil now. Can smell it, so that's good sign. So yeah, we get up on next 15-20 more minutes. So we can start adding the spices. So yeah, make the plantain go and cook a little bit more. And then we'll come back and check that. Yeah guys, come back again and check in what going. Make sure say not sticking. I don't want it to stick, you know. Yeah guys, after another 5 minutes to come back in and we check it. That going good. You know, feel it a stick on the bottom. So that's good. That's good sign. I can smell the plantain. It a cooked, so yeah, maybe need another 5 more minutes, because you know, like my thing them well done, you know, like my thing them cooked properly. So I'm going to eat another 5 minutes and then come check in back again. So, you know, sometimes you eat some of them porridge, you still come like you can taste the stain. We don't know them thing there. So we are going to eat the next 5 more minutes, make it go and cook. And then we are going to come put in the spice and the milk and sweeten him up and ready him up. You get what I'm saying? So yeah. So make that go and cook for the next 5 minutes and then we'll go back and spice it up, yeah? Yeah. Yeah guys, it's almost that time, you know. To spice it up. Put in with thing in it to spice up and that in it, you get me look on it. Look how it looking nice. You put in with vanilla, nutmeg, milk, cinnamon, and spice them up. So yeah, make we gather the whole of them thing there and throw it in that, and then yeah, ready up again, isn't it? So yeah guys, we gather up the things then. Sit there, we have with cinnamon. Yeah, don't worry, don't watch me eyeball the thing, I go left it. The recipe I got in the description, so no worry no yet. We never can do it properly, don't worry. Now with cinnamon, vanilla, showing the vanilla. We have some nutmeg. This other one, the nutmeg we have, you get me, so we have to grate some nutmeg in it. So now that smells nice already. So we know that smells nice. Then now I'm mixing this first. Mix it in. Then like how it look, but don't worry about the looks. The smell, wow. Smell is top notch. Probably so. If you want to whole heap more nutmeg, put whole heap on it like that. Dep on the final lap to dep on it, you know, when you put in them thing, you know, done. Once you put in the nutmeg, you put in the milk, you can basically lock it off, you know. I don't like nutmeg have a whole heap of nutmeg tonight, nutmeg make a good flavour. Make it nice of your porridge. You know, a whole heap of nutmeg when your porridge just yeah. Whole heap of nutmeg. Mix that in. Wow, that smells so nice. Jesus Christ, guys, if only you guys could taste this right now, man. If only you guys could taste this. I you would smell it now and be like, yo, this out here really a dark show. Yeah. So now it's time to put in the milk. With your condensed milk. Bust it open. Yeah. This is the tricky part now. You don't want the porridge to be over sweet. You don't want the porridge too sweet. But this part now, you have to take your time and put it in. Normally, just put it off. And so I'll go and mix that in. And then we taste it and then see if we need a little more. Sometimes you can just look for the judgment, judge it. See? You see the colour come back here now. Yeah. To me it look like you want a little bit more milk still. I go put a little bit more milk in because you know me like my porridge well sweet, you know. My porridge well sweet. Once the milk goes in, I'm done, you know. I like the porridge well sweet. Yeah guys, see it there? My final result that final result to the plantain porridge. So now we need a nice big bowl of this. Jesus Christ, I can't even imagine how this nice right now, but yeah, I'm sure it's a bowl.